Here I have TCL 30, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly you have to hold down power key, and after you see turn off menu, you have to hold down power off button. Then it proposes you to enter safe mode, tap OK, and after that your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we are in a safe mode right now. If you want to quit this mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.